We are taking bone marrow biopsy from the hip bone, and in this procedure first we have to clean the area, and after this we are using a local anesthetic to instill some lignocaine into the site because it makes the patient pain free. And now we are using this biopsy needle, and this biopsy needle is actually used to penetrate into the iliac crest, and when it penetrates the iliac crest then we have to move it clockwise so that we can take a good piece of bone so that we can visualize it under the microscope. Once we feel that we have taken a good piece of bone, then we will move it anti-clockwise and then we will remove the needle. When we will remove the needle, then we remove the chunk of piece from that needle on a slide and then prepare a slide of bone marrow biopsy to see it under the microscope. Hope you will like my video. Thank you.